tips. Today I show you how to change language on booking.com. Alright, subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me and show you how to do it. Okay, and first write in Google search booking.com and press enter and search and click on booking.com official site, the best hotels, flights, car rentals and etc. Click on open booking.com and how to change language on booking. Alright, booking.com and USD currency and select your language. Click on this and our language, search your language and select English, French, English UK, Española, Chinese and etc. language. Okay, click on English, use, and that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye.